Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is MJ Crypto, and in this video, I'm going to practically show you, walk you down the aisle, how I make my trades and how I get to know the directional bias on any trade. It's very simple. Now, the first thing I want to do is go over to my weekly time frame, plot out my key levels. Now, key levels, for those of you who do not know, are areas where we have multiple price reactions from. Okay, there are areas where we had multiple price reactions. Okay, so here is going to be one key level. Have another key level somewhere around here. Have another one somewhere around here, right? We'll have another one somewhere around here. And then we'll have another one just right here. Have another one just right here. And basically, these are your key levels. Now, for those of you who do not know how to do this, it's very simple. Just rewatch this video as many times as possible. Now you already know where you are trading from and where you are trading against. Now, by normal chart patterns, this is already an evening star. This is already an evening star that is building. For those of you who do not know what an evening star looks like, this is it. Okay? It's a reversal chart pattern, but we're not going to be trading based on that assumption. We're going to actually hypothetically know the bias of the market. All right, so let's go to the 1 day time frame now. Let's go to the 1 day time frame. Now, in this time frame, here we're actually going to be what? Trying to figure out if we have some certain chart patterns that are building up. Can we see any chart pattern here? Practically no. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what exactly is going on there. Now, we look very clearly. We can see we had a build up, but this build up is not a bullish one. All right, it's not a bullish build up. And how do I know it's not a bullish build up? You can see we already have change of character occurring here. Had a liquidity sweep, price broke down structure. All right, look at it. Look at what I'm saying. Okay, price has already created a change of character here. Now, how do you know a valid change of character? I'm going to point that out to you very shortly. Just stick around to the end of this video. Now, I had a change of character here already, and another what? Break of structure to validate our thesis. Now, I have another BOS somewhere around here. Now, after this break of structure, followed by, after the break of structure that comes, that precedes the chalk, which is change of character, we now start looking for short positions. Now, how do we do that? We go over to the 1 hour time frame. You can see how we're scaling down from the weekly, daily, 4 hours, and so on and so forth. Right? So basically, that's just what you need to do. Very simple. Now, here, let's see if we had an inducement and so on and so forth. Okay, now I can see a valid order block here. The last bullish candle before the bearish move. Perfecto. I can see one here, and I can see an inducement here. I can see an inducement here in form of an equal high and a double top. Now, the idea behind this is that this is going to be our liquidity zone. This is a live trade I'm showing you, and the market is already selling in our favor. So if you can see this video right now, go into the market and print some money. It's that simple. So, we had our liquidity here that was formed, and price has gone back to this other block, tested it, and obviously price will do what? It's going to come down. Now, how do we know price is going to come down? It's another what? Easy trick to figure that out. Now, the momentum in which price broke into this other block will tell you if this is valid or not. You can see we had big candles, meaning they were what? Trying to buy as quickly as possible to sell off the market. All right, now if we drag this to the end, you see price broke down. Show you what I'm saying. You're going to see that price broke down with this big candle, showing you there's a sell-off. After this big candle, it tried to go up again. So let's check the 30 minutes time frame. See, price tried to go up again, but it couldn't. Instead, it formed a double top. And then the sell-off started selling off. Started selling off from here to the downside. So practically, here will be taken out. Excuse me. Here will be taken out first. So here could be your TP1. This swing low will also be taken out, TP2. And eventually, here will be taken out completely as TP3. Are you getting me now? So basically, this is just how to trade. All right. Basically, this is how to trade. Very simple. So TP1, TP2, TP3, and so on and so forth. Let me just call this TP1. All caps. TP1. I'm going to call this my TP2. TP2, 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 TP2. I'm going to call this my TP3. Now, when price takes this TP1, here becomes a weak low, meaning it is weak because momentum has taken it out, meaning it could also break the next one. But if price ends up here like so and does this, and does something like this again, then here becomes a strong low because it couldn't take it out. This region here becomes a strong low. All right, now, anyways, I've got good news for you guys that will lift your spirit up. If you're a trader and you are not trading with Bybit, I really don't know what you are doing. Sign up. The link is going to be in the description of this video, and you're going to be getting, tons of bonuses when you fund your account using my partner link. Right? The link is in the description of this video, guys. All right, so it's going to be one love from here. I'll see you in the next video. Turn on your post notifications, put on, always be on alert. I'm going to be posting more interesting videos like this, showing you the framework of what charts should look like. All right, showing you the framework of what the chart should look like. So we've gotten an inducement here that's created this liquidity. Price has broken through into this other block, this demand zone, this supply zone, rather. Put this in red, supply zone right there. And then we're expecting price to come back to take out TP3. And this should take about a week or less, because price definitely will have to wave. It won't just go in one direction immediately. It will go in a wave form. It's gonna move in a wave form like this, 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 like this. Take out liquidity. Then boom, before you know it, TP3 is taken out. So guys, drop in the comment section which coins you actually want me to run analysis for. I'm going to be doing it right away. Okay, right away, right away, right away. One love, guys. Peace out. Love your cheers.